Today I'll be showing you how to create and use custom templates in Draw.io for Confluence, so your team's diagrams stay consistent, polished, and effortless to reuse. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up reusable diagram templates for everyone, or just for your own use, making your technical documentation faster and a lot less repetitive, no matter how complex your flowcharts or architecture maps become. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about setting up custom templates. For this part, you'll need Confluence admin rights, so if that's not you, it's worth coordinating with your admin now. The reason only admins can set up these templates is because they become available to everyone in your space, ensuring consistency and central management. Here, how it works. You'll head to the settings area by clicking the little gear icon and then navigate into Atlassian Marketplace, where you'll find Draw.io configuration. This is where everything is controlled. Now under the Custom Templates tab, there's a Templates page link. Clicking that will take you to a special page, usually pre-created in the Draw.io configurations space. Think of this Templates page as a master filing cabinet for all your organization's diagrams. But we don't just throw everything in one drawer, organization is key. On this Templates page, you'll create child pages for each category of templates you want, like network architecture or process maps. The name you give each child page is important. This becomes the category label users will see later, so make them clear. For each category, you'll add the actual diagram templates. Inside each child page, insert a Draw.io diagram macro and either build your template from scratch or import an existing diagram. When you're happy with the template, just publish the page. Now a quick but crucial check, permissions. Double-check the Draw.io configurations space has read permissions granted to all your intended users. If someone can't see the templates, this permission setting is usually the culprit. It's like giving everyone access to the Office filing cabinet. If the door's locked, the templates aren't much use. So now your templates are set up, let's use them. This part's super simple, whether you're a Confluence Pro or just getting started. Anytime you're editing a page and want to add a diagram, just start typing. This shortcut brings up the Draw.io diagram tool. You'll see the Template Manager dialog pop up, and right at the top of the sidebar are your custom categories, the ones we just set. This keeps your custom templates front and center, so you don't need to hunt through all the default Draw.io options. All you have to do is pick the template you want, hit create, and a copy of it is dropped onto your page. You can tweak and edit this version as much as you like. Your changes won't touch the original template, which keeps everything nice and tidy for the rest of the team. And finally, if you don't need full-blown organization-wide templates, or you just want to reuse small groups of shapes for yourself, there's a quick trick for that called the Scratchpad feature. If you make a custom layout or need a handy set of icons, just select those shapes and drag them over to the Scratchpad on the left side of the editor. They'll stay there, ready to drag into any other diagram you're working on within your browser. Think of it like a clipboard for your favorite layout pieces, perfect for power users or anyone who makes similar diagrams again and again. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have custom templates up and running in Draw.io for Confluence, giving your whole team a consistent starting point and saving everyone a ton of time. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, and if you run into any bumps or have questions, drop me a comment down below and I'll help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical Confluence and diagramming tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.